Here you've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to set PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select lock screen and security, and now you have to locate and open setup SIM card lock. As you can see, now it is active, so if you want to change it, just click on change SIM PIN, enter the current one, tap on OK, and then provide a new one. You have to re-enter it just to confirm. Tap on OK. Okay, let me do it again. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN changed. So that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.